Crypto Explained, what cryptocurrency really is and why it matters. What if money didn't need banks? What if you could send value to anyone in the world instantly without asking permission? This is not science fiction. This is cryptocurrency. In today's video, we're going to break down what crypto really is, how it works, why people are excited about it, and why others are still skeptical. No complicated jargon, no hype, just a clear explanation. So whether you're completely new to crypto or you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain but never fully understood them, this video is for you. Let's get started. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike traditional money such as dollars or euros, cryptocurrency is decentralized. That means it is not controlled by governments, banks, or any single authority. Instead, crypto runs on a technology called blockchain. Think of a blockchain as a public digital ledger. Every transaction is recorded, verified by a network of computers, and then permanently stored. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. This is what makes cryptocurrency transparent, secure, and trustless, meaning you don't need to trust a bank or a middleman. You only need to trust the code. The first cryptocurrency ever created was Bitcoin, launched in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was created as a response to the global financial crisis of 2008, when many people lost trust in traditional financial institutions. The idea was simple but powerful: a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that allows people to send money directly to each other. No banks, no central control, no manipulation of supply. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, which is why many people call it digital gold. Let's simplify blockchain. Imagine a notebook that is shared with thousands of people around the world. Every time a transaction happens, everyone updates their notebook at the same time. Each page in the notebook is a block, and once a page is full, it gets locked and linked to the previous page, forming a chain. That's a blockchain. Because everyone has a copy, it's extremely hard to cheat the system. To change one transaction, you'd have to change it on thousands of computers simultaneously. This is why blockchain is considered highly secure. Bitcoin was just the beginning. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins. One of the most important is Ethereum. Ethereum is not just digital money, it's a platform. It allows developers to build smart contracts, which are programs that run automatically when certain conditions are met. This technology enables decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, blockchain games, decentralized apps, or dApps. In simple terms, Ethereum turned blockchain into a global computer. So why are millions of people investing in and using crypto? Here are a few reasons. First, financial freedom. Crypto allows people to control their own money without relying on banks. Second, global access. Anyone with an internet connection can use crypto, even in countries with unstable currencies. Third, innovation. Blockchain technology is creating new systems for finance, art, gaming, and identity. And finally, store of value. Some people see crypto, especially Bitcoin, as protection against inflation. But let's be honest, crypto is not perfect. Prices are extremely volatile. Scams and hacks still exist. Regulations are unclear in many countries. And because crypto is decentralized, you are responsible for your own security. If you lose your private keys, you lose your funds permanently. This is why education is critical. Crypto is powerful, but with power comes responsibility. So what does the future look like? Some believe crypto will replace traditional finance. Others think it will coexist with banks and governments. What's clear is this: blockchain technology is not going away. Major companies, financial institutions, and even governments are already exploring crypto and digital currencies. We are still early, and we are still learning. Cryptocurrency is more than just price charts and hype. It's a new way to think about money, trust, and freedom in the digital age. Whether you choose to invest or not, understanding crypto is becoming increasingly important in today's world. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to understand crypto better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.